Hi guys, welcome to Connectra, a platform where we're uniting and uplifting all the businesses of the gem community. Today we are diving into the shimmer and soul behind one of the most eye-catching jewelry brands. They've got pearls and they've got the power. So let's welcome Pal and Prachi, the creators of the Pretty Pearls. Hi, what's up?
Hi.
क्या चल रहा है?
The Pretty Pearls.
The Pretty Boys.
Pretty. Okay, so what is the Pretty Pearls all about?
The Pretty Pearls is a brand where you get 18 karat gold-plated jewelry, which is anti-tarnish. You can wear it on daily basis, like whether it is a mini stud, which is for your daily wear, or something which you want for a special occasion. So you get it all. Like whatever is the occasion, what kind of jewelry you want, you'll get it all at one place only. So you need not worry about anything. You have got to cover.
Also, our jewelry is waterproof, anti-tarnish, perfume resistant, so even you can wear it every day without any worry about its
You
quality.
don't have to keep removing it and wearing it.
Yeah.
About cleaning,
So what inspired you both to start the Pretty Pearls? Was there any specific experience that sparked the idea?
I mean, I wanted to do something of my own, like to earn money and all. And like, I used to go to a lot of exhibitions and all. And it was like that every person or every other generation used to do something like clothes, bakery or any other thing or jewelry also. Then one day I decided to tell her that, okay, like it is something like that I want to do. कैसा ऐसा है कि we can also do it like. So I told her that, are you interested? And then she told yes, I am. Then we decided to start the brand.
So you were friends?
Yeah.
How did you decide to co-found the brand together?
I mean, we know each other from past 10 years or more and we live in the same building. So like our bond is strong and like we both have same passion towards it. Like we both are like कि कुछ करना है मतलब खुद का करना था कि भले छोटा हो कि बड़ा बट करना था. Like we wanted to earn money and like and all and we had a taste similar like कि even if the quality or anything ideas matched and we were like कि even if someone else come what if like there were grudges or कि opinions didn't matter but in our case it was like even if we ever used to fight also ना तो like कि हो जाता था sort मतलब तो वो था कि trust भी इतना अच्छा और bond भी था तो we both decided to do it together.
So what strengths do each of you bring to each other in this partnership?
I handle the online presence and she handles the offline presence. So whatever is regarding the Instagram and social media part, so I take care of it, editing, shoots and all. And she handles the marketing like offline marketing, sales and where are the upcoming exhibitions and pop-ups so we can participate in it. So she takes care of it.
And how would you describe the Pretty Pearls in 3 words?
Durability,
Elegant.
trendy.
How do you ensure that your designs resonate with the target audience?
So we handpick our jewelry by ourselves. So we visit the stores. So we know what our customers want and what is trending. So we go there, we check the quality, we check the trendy items like whatever is trending and which is long lasting in this market. Like it will not go out of trend easily. So we take care of it and by that we choose our
Also,
jewelry and all.
keep in mind that what are the reviews from our customer like. We see what is going on and even they tell us that do you have this so we know okay, what all to get and everything.
So since imitation jewelry is fast fashion, what's more important to you, quality or trendy designs?
Quality and trend designs both. Like quality is first preference. Like if we compromise in quality, it won't work for longer period. So we choose those jewelry which is better in quality and also trending in the market. So people can get the trend as well as the quality.
Is it possible to find such jewelry?
Yeah.
We always keep it in mind like we pick limited stuff but it has to be of high quality. Like
Yeah.
until and unless we both are satisfied by our quality we'll never give it to our customers. Like it has to be the best quality.
So do you have any favorite piece or collection that holds a special meaning to you?
Every piece is special to us. Like there are particular pieces which are special. So like our wristbands that are leather bands. So that was so trendy that once or twice we have got out of stock. So it is one of our best sellers. So there is a time when customers purchase from us and their relatives see like they have purchased this thing. So they come to us and they ask that my friend has purchased from you, so can I get this same piece or something? So we try to restock it again and again so even they can get it.
What have been some of the biggest challenges you faced as young girls in the jewelry industry?
When we started, like, we started very young. Like, I'm 18, she's 21.
Wow.
So it was like a big problem. Like, vendors weren't believing us that we are doing this and that. So they weren't ready to give the stock or anything like. And we were like, okay, no, we do it, and we had to give them a proof that you can see our Insta pages, you can see our customers or anything, or even our bill book, like, see, we have a proof. But then with time, they started trusting us and all that. They, even if we now pick one piece, they will give it to us without any tension, or like they are not doing this, they are not wholesalers or retailers, but they give it out. So yeah.
You built that trust.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like, even if we take one piece, they'll give it without any issue. So that was the biggest problem we faced, but now it's okay.
But at 18 and 21, what made you start the business so early?
Seeing everyone working and doing something in their life.
We were
What
like,
I was starting when I was 18.
We also wanted to earn money.
And where is all the money going? Where are you spending it?
It is also in jewelry.
Great. So can you share a moment when you felt particularly proud of your achievements with the Goody Girls?
Whenever we get a review from our clients and feedbacks, like whether it is positive or negative, we take it as a good thing. Like we will improve in it. So those are the times when we feel proud. Like even they are interested and they are giving us true reviews and something. So there was a period when we had an exhibition at Marine Plaza. So there was a staff who visited our store. So he asked that he wanted to purchase for a daughter. So is it reasonable? Like he wanted something like that. So he video called her daughter and he showed him the products and all. He also took a jewelry piece and he was very happy like when he bought it for a daughter. So even we felt proud that it is affordable for him also.
Yeah.
So that was the proud moment for us.
Great. So Goody Girls can be bought and worn by everyone.
Yeah.
everybody.
Amazing. So nowadays this fast fashion jewelry business has too much competition happening around. What is the Goody Girls doing that is
Jewelry is a big, very big industry. I mean, and every second or the third person is doing something that is related to jewelry. But when we started, we knew that the competition is going to be big, and we wanted like, okay, whatever we do, we have to be affordable, and we have to be somewhere down the line that customers believe that we are better from the other brands, and they come to us again and again. So that was something that made us realize that we need, whenever we even purchase something or even give it to our customers, that our range starts from 200 and it is still 800 only. So that even people come and say that you are very reasonable, your quality is very good. So with time we realized that yeah, we have done a great work till wherever we are.
so affordability is your US?
Yeah.
Great. It's the natural tendency of a customer to keep asking for more and more discounts. Now, how do you react when the prices are already so competitive?
We don't have words only. Like कितना भी discount दे दो वो लोग satisfied नहीं होता है. मतलब discounted price में वो लोग को और discount चाहिए. So there is a point when they ask for discount even at the offers. So we are like, okay, we'll do something. Like we don't want them to go like that. If they have lighter jewelry, then we want them to wear it. So we do something like up and down. Yeah.
I'll ask for it.
Yeah, sure.
Have you collaborated with any brands or influencers to expand your reach?
Not yet, but looking forward to do it in the near future. We are open for collaborations.
Yeah.
Great. How is Instagram and helping you in terms of sales? What is better, Instagram or exhibitions?
Exhibition has been better for us because there are a lot of people who can see, they can
Physically try.
yeah, they can physically come and try it, and they can also see the quality of the jewelry. So that will work more better. But we are working to work on Instagram also, so that both of the platforms we work hard and we can sell more jewelry and we can make more people buy the
So we have
products.
started that you can come and visit our place also, like by appointment basis. So they can even see it like not even like every day is not there. There's not an exhibition, but they can come to our place and see our jewelry by appointment basis. So many people come like that also to buy the jewelry.
So if I'm going for a holiday and if I want
Yeah,
to buy
sure.
jewelry,
Yeah,
I can go
Even
and
if you come one day prior, you can. You just need to message us.
Oh wow, that's it. Great. So what do you do with the pieces that go unsold?
So the hardly any pieces remain unsold. So whichever piece remains unsold, we choose those pieces only which are for a longer period of time, like in trend. So those pieces also they don't lose shine and their durability is more. So even if it lasts for longer time with us, so there is no issue. And even we keep offers and all. So customer, look, everyone has a different taste. So some of the other customers buy this product. So it gets sent.
Never gets.
Yeah.
Great. How has the family support been in your journey so far?
Amazing. Like from start, our parents have supported us. Like our friends and family, everybody has supported us. Like they come and tell us that you can buy this, you can get this. This is going on in the market. Like they are fathers. Whenever we have an exhibition or anything, they'll say, आज कितना हुआ, सेल हुआ कि प्रॉफिट हुआ कि लॉस हुआ, कितना हुआ क्या
So
हुआ.
rather excited.
मतलब हम घर में पैर नहीं जाके उससे पहले उनका वो क्वेश्चन आ जाता है. But our moms also, like someone, even if someone, a relative or friends, or their friends are coming to our place, they'll say कि मेरी बेटी का ये है, आपको देखना है. तो वो किधर ना किधर से कुछ भी करके she makes us say marketing very strong. मतलब even I don't know कि मतलब ये मेरे कस्टमर भी थे ना, but वो सामने से बता आपका तो ज्वेलरी ब्रांड है ना प्रिटी पॉइंट्स में, ऐसा हुआ भी हुआ है कि मुझे नहीं पता इनने कब लिया, बट वो थे मेरे कस्टमर.
So the recognition you're getting.
Yeah.
Great. So that was Pearl and Prachi. For all your fashion jewelry needs, do not go places. Just check out the Pretty Pearls and you have it all covered. Thank you so much for being a part of Connectra. We hope you get all the success that you wish for in your future. Thank you guys for watching, and for more such podcasts, please like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.